So one bolt here, one bolt way up there, two bolts here, and then you should come right up. You will need to remove this to get it out of the way. You may have this fastened in, this type of, let's say, fasteners, clips, special clips. The air inlet plastic box comes out very easily. As you can see, there is some notches here, and this is made out of rubber, so you can just squeeze those and pop out right from here. And after that is straightforward. Just gently take out the headlights, which is right here. This is the headlight. Now I have this xenon adaptation from the previous owner, and I don't know why. I'm guessing that it didn't came from the factory, since this doesn't have the Audi stamp on it. And here's the blinker, the problem. And let me see if I can zoom in. Anyway, this one is corroded inside, and I'm guessing that is the issue. And this is PY 21 volts. So this, as you can see, oh sorry, as you can see, come on. Ah, damn it. So PY PYW PY21W 12 volts, and this is not blood. It's from this one, and I have a brand new one, and it goes way here. And as you can see, this one has a close sign and open sign, and you just go like this, and it doesn't seem to have any corrosion in it, so this one's okay. So the problem was with the light bulb, and this one's made by Vallejo. Original one, as you can see. Two connectors here, one here, and there should be one down somewhere here. Anyway, there is another connector in the car, and that should pretty much be it. I'm gonna replace it, and I'm not gonna replace it anyway. So as you can see, two connectors. Oh, this one's actually from sensor, so you don't really need to remove this one. I remove it anyway because I need some space. And this is the original connector, and it doesn't have any corrosion from what I see, so we should be good. I'm gonna clean up this mess a little, and that should be it. Bye bye.